Okay, this question is also a WAEC question. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help us subscribe to this channel so that others can get content as well. Because when you subscribe, there's a high chance that others will get this video, to look at. Okay, so thank you very much. Just subscribe. Now, this is a simple WAEC question on measuration. Okay, it says calculate the surface area of a hollow cylinder which is closed at one end if the base radius is 3.5 cm and height 8 centimeters. So question, we are asked to calculate what? The surface area. Okay, surface area. That's what we are asked to calculate. All right, so you can't proceed far with this question until you know this formula for calculating the surface area. But I will give you a clue, before I write out the formula for you. Or rather, let me first of all write it out. Surface area, SA, is given by 2 pi arrow h plus pi arrow square. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the surface area of a hollow cylinder, all right, that is closed at one end. Okay, what that means is, because it's closed at one end, it means that one end is true. Okay, you can see through the other end. One of the ends, assume that one of the ends are cut out, so that it is open. Take for instance an open Bonvita tin. Okay, open Bonvita tin. You see that the bottom of the cylinder, which a Bonvita can serve as a cylinder. Okay, the bottom of the cylinder is closed, but the top can be open or also closed. Okay, it is hollow because there is hole in between the cylinder. Okay, that's the meaning of hollow. If it's not solid, it is hollow. It means that there is a space inside the cylinder. Okay, all right, so that being said, it means that the top of the cylinder is removed. Now, how do we find the surface area? The surface area would be, let me draw a simple cylinder so that we get that straight. This is the cylinder we're talking about. Now we have to look for the surface area of this cylinder. Now we assume that this top is open, but the bottom is sealed, and then the sides are sealed. Okay, so now to get the surface area, we will calculate the surface area of this curved surface, okay, plus the surface area of the base, which is a cylinder. Okay, but because the top is opened, there's nothing there, there's no surface there. Okay, so we neglect that. So now the surface area of this curved surface is what is given by this 2 pi arrow h. Okay, while the surface area of the base, because it's a cylinder, we look for the area of the cylinder, okay, which is pi radius square. And then that is the end of the problem. All that is left is just mathematical operation. Okay, so now what we can do here to make our work easy for convenience is to factorize. Okay, factorize these terms. Okay, so that we have, if we look carefully, pi is here, arrow is here, arrow is here. Okay, because this is arrow square, which is arrow times arrow. So we can factor out pi arrow because pi arrow is common to both terms. Okay, so bring pi arrow out. Now when you close pi arrow from here, what is left is 2h. Okay, when you close pi arrow from here, what is left is arrow. Just strike pi arrow out, you will know what is left. So this is what we have, pi arrow into 2h plus arrow. Okay, and that becomes easy. What are the parameters given? Now we know the radius arrow 3.5 centimeters. We know the height h 8 centimeters. Okay, so now we can now substitute into this expression and get our total surface area, our surface area of the cylinder. Now take note, you must ensure that the units are same. If there's any need to convert the units, we'll have to do that. Okay, so now basically we are done with the situation. The units are the same, so there is no need to convert. Okay, so now we substitute. We take our pi to be 22/7. All right, okay, and so we substitute. Now what we are going to have is this: surface area is 22/7 times 3.5 into 2 times 8 plus 3.5. Okay, now what we are going to have, 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 0.5. Okay, so now we put it all together. We have 22 times 0.5, 2 times 8 gives 16 plus 3.5. Okay, 22 times 0.5 gives us 11, because it's the same thing as 22 times half. Okay, all right, into 16 plus 3.5 is 19.5. Okay, and when you do that, you get 214.5, and the unit for area is centimeter square. That's it. Now like, share, and comment on this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please at this point subscribe. Thank you.